What's up, YouTube? Today, we are talking about a homelite chainsaw, 33cc. That homelite chainsaw is mine. My dad picked it out of the trash and it runs. So I can't start it for you guys, but I wish if I could. So make sure you guys smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. My other channel, go subscribe to mine and Jason's channel. That'll be in the link description and below. That's in the link description and below. And I'll also put my friend Pagie's channel. Make sure you guys go check out her channel. Link will be in the description below. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for this video. Make sure you guys also subscribe to my channel. Go follow me on SoundCloud, Steven, Lil Steve. Shout out to Paige and Tobie, and shout out to my other channel, SNJA. So put the description in below. So yeah, make sure you guys go subscribe to them, or to me and her. So yeah, let's get to the video. Alright, boys. First up, gotcha. First up is this. This is my bar and chain. This is my bar and chain oil right here. This is my bar and chain oil. This is the chain and bar oil that I use. This is the mix that I use. It has more gas and less oil in it. So yeah, make sure you guys. Oh yeah, and I'll also put a link in the description. Shout out to Echo. They didn't sponsor me or anything, but I just want to tell them I just want to say shout out to Echo. So if they want to sponsor me, then go ahead and I'll leave. And if an Echo person, if someone that likes Echo and this, then make sure you guys go subscribe to Echo if they even have a channel. So I'll put Echo in the link description. So shout out to Echo. Alright, guys. So now, hold on, guys. Oops, shit. Okay. Fully charged. Okay. Sorry about that, guys, but I was just doing something. Yeah, but I'll give a shout out to them. So, yeah. So make sure you guys go check out their channel. And actually, the case, this is the homelite case that came with it. It's a homelite case. It's a homelite case. You guys want to see in there, I'll show it to you guys. Just came with some instructions. That's all it came with, is instructions. I'll definitely put like some tools in here. Wash this, back it out. I'm gonna have to wash this out. Make sure you guys stay tuned with that. So, it's the case. Now, the most interesting part of all is the only one and the saw that runs is my homelite saw. My homelite saw. This is my homelite saw. And it's a 14-inch bar. Steel. So my dad's saw. Is that steel. It's the steel MS250. You guys saw me do some videos on that. So, yeah, you guys saw me do videos on that. It's a 14-inch bar on here. That's a 16 or 18-inch bar on my dad's, but on mine it's a 14-inch. But it's a cool bar. I like the saw. It's good handling. I mean, for the trash, finding it out of the trash. It's a pretty good saw in it, right? It fired right up when I pulled it. Wish if I could pull it for you guys, but I can't. Can't start it without my dad here. So this video probably, I'm sorry if this video is short, but I'll probably go through a cleaning video with it too. I'll probably show you guys like how to clean the saw properly. I'll show you guys how to clean it with only 2 things. Sorry, 3 things. I'll show you guys how to clean it with 3 things. I'll probably do a video on that probably tomorrow. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. It's definitely going to be worth it. Yeah, but it's got problems, but it runs perfectly fine. Yeah, so I used it already, so it's dirty. Sorry about that, guys, but it's dirty because I already used it. Because I've been using it, cutting the wood that I showed you guys. So that's why it's dirty, and the bar is nice. The bar, it's a powerstroke engine, 33cc, homelite, 14-inch bar, 3314. So the recommended, I actually got a 14-inch bar with a new chain, but the chain that came on it was cutting really good, but we just had to replace the chain because the chain was worn out. So make sure you guys go by this when you're replacing the chain, not by the one on the bar, because me and my dad put it on the wrong way. Well, I put it on the wrong way. This thing wouldn't cut for crud. So, and then we fixed the chain, and then it was cutting perfectly fine. So yeah, it's an easy start. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, it's pretty late saw. The brake is broken right now. I'm gonna have to look at that, see once I get old enough, I'm probably gonna put money into it. Right now I'm not gonna put money into it. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for a cleaning video on it. So I'll definitely make a cleaning video on it. So I hope you guys. And then I'll also do a video on cleaning this. So if you guys want to see me make a video on cleaning an Echo SRM225, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I will also give a shout out to Echo, and I will also give a shout out to Homelight, and I will also give a shout out to my favorite tools. Also give a shout out to Craftsman. So shout out to Craftsman. So I hope you guys liked and subscribed. So I will see you guys in the next video.